In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your Klaviyo list. First of all, log into your Klaviyo account and head over to the Lists and Segments section from the left-hand side of your screen. Once you are here, open the list where you have all of your subscribers. At this point, you want to remove certain types of emails. For example, look for addresses that contain words like sales, support, or any other text like this before the @ symbol. These are generally not private emails, and they are unlikely to help you, making them less preferable as leads. You can remove them individually by clicking on the 3 dots at the end of the email and then selecting Remove. However, if there are many such emails, doing this one by one will take too long. To handle this more efficiently, go back to the Lists and Segments section and click on Create New at the upper right-hand side of your screen. Then click on Create Segment. After that, give a name to your segment, then click on the condition box. For the first option, select Properties About Someone. Next, click on the drop-down menu and select Email. In the second drop-down menu, select Contains the text, and in the third box, type in the specific variable that the email should contain to be removed, such as info at. You can add more and more conditions in the same way by following these steps and including additional variables. Once you've set all the necessary conditions, click on Create Segment at the upper right-hand side of your screen. After that, wait until the segment is fully created. Once it has been processed, you will be able to see all of the emails that match your conditions. While you cannot bulk remove them entirely, you can take another step. Instead of deleting them, go back to the Lists and Segments page, locate the segment you just created, click on the 3 dots at the end of it, and then select the option Suppress Current Members. After this, click on Bulk Suppress. Suppressing these emails means they will not be deleted from your account, but they will be removed from all campaigns and flows, including any future ones. You can also clean your list by targeting inactive users. To do this, create another segment by clicking on Create New and then Create Segment. Give this segment a name as well. Then set the condition. This time, choose what someone has done. After that, in the Activity drop-down menu, select the option Clicked Email. In the next drop-down menu, choose 0 times. Then you can set the time frame, which can be anywhere between 30 and 90 days. This condition means the segment will include all the people who have not clicked on any email within the past 30, 60, or 90 days, depending on what you choose. Once you've set this up, click on Create Segment again at the top right-hand side of the screen, and Klaviyo will generate this segment as well. After it's created, you can follow the same steps as before to suppress these inactive members too. By doing this, you ensure your list is cleaned up and only contains valid and engaged subscribers, giving you the maximum chance of making sales. This process helps you remove unnecessary, invalid, or inactive contacts from your Klaviyo list.